will it make it over the speed hump? Yep. G'day all, it's Brother Blonde and welcome back. You probably gathered from the fact that that was a left-hand drive car that I'm not in Australia at the moment, and you would be right. I'm in fact in Los Angeles, California in the US of A. Just up here for work, which I have not been able to say for a long time, but yay, as I mentioned in my last vlog, back flying again, which is fantastic. That's the, if you can see it in the distance, because I know it's a wide angle lens, but hopefully it'll show it up. Over there's the Queen Mary. If I had more time today, I'd cycle around there and have a look closer up, but I don't, so I won't. But have a look at all these vessels here. This is a marina and a half. Look at that. That's spectacular. Big boats off the coast, which shows that I'm not a mariner, because they're actually ships, not boats. Actually, when does a boat become a ship? I have no idea. Or when does a ship become just a boat? Why pedal when you've got electrons to do it for you? As you know, this is Long Beach, and they held the Long Beach Grand Prix here, I think just a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure exactly. There's a ripple strip there. That's my hotel straight ahead. So this is great. We have a sporting club that we put money into each fortnight, and this is just one hotel and one set of equipment that we have access to. We got surfboards, bikes, golf equipment, a lot of, a ladder, I guess yoga mats, filing cabinet, whatever we need. Even got a microwave. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it one of those thumbs up things, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!